Hey guys, today we're going to be going over comparing and ordering whole numbers up to 100,000. So please make sure that your paper says day 1 at the top, okay? Now, I'm Ms. Carrillo and I'm going to be working out some problems with you. Now, as I'm working them out, I want you to listen to everything that I'm saying. And I want you to write down everything that I'm writing, okay? If you don't write everything down, you will not receive credit from your teacher. So let's get started. Number 1, it says, look at the two groups of numbers, okay? So we have group X, we have 3 numbers here. Then we have group Y, and we have 3 numbers here. Then it says, which statement about the numbers is in these groups is true? Okay, so we're looking for the one that is true. That's important. So I'll go ahead and underline or highlight that. Now, let's look at our numbers here. We have 897, 743, 126, 123, 245, 675. All right, so letter S says all the numbers in group X are less than all the numbers in group Y. Well, let's see. Is 897 less than 123? Nope. So that means this is false. Okay. Let's look at letter B. All numbers in group X are greater than all the numbers in group Y. Okay? Is 897 greater than 123? Yes. Is 743 greater than 123? Yes. Is 126 greater than 123? Yes. Is 897 greater than 245? Yes. Is 743 greater than 245? Yes. Is 123 greater than 245? No. So that means this is also false. Letter C. All numbers in group X and group Y are greater than 500. Is 897 greater than 500? No. So that means this is false. Letter D. All numbers in group X and group Y are less than 900. Is this less than 900? Yes, 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 and yes. So this one is true. So I'm looking for the one that's true, which means my answer is D. Okay. Number 2. The chart shows the number of points scored in a video game by 4 players. We have Sammy has 3,261. Fred has 2,189. Jamal has 3,279. Alex has 2,226. Which lists the numbers of points in order from greatest to least? Okay, so we are trying to look for the one that is greatest to least. Okay, so I put a big G because that's bigger, and then a small L because I'm going smaller. All right, so when we're putting our numbers in order, we want to start with the biggest place value, which is my 1,000. Okay, so my 1,000, I have a 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000. So I'm going to start with the 3,000s because those are bigger. Now these two are the same, so that's not going to help me. Now I have to go to the next place value, which is the hundreds place. I have a 200 here and a 200 here. That's not going to help me either. So I'm going to go to the next place value, which is the tens. I have 60 and 70. Which one is greater? 70 is greater than 60, so that means that Jamal has to go first. And Sammy has to go second. Now I'm going to look at the 2000s. So this is 2000, 2000. That's not going to help me. Then we have 200 and 100. And 200 is greater than 100. So this means that Alex is third and Fred is fourth. Okay, now that I have my numbers in order from greatest to least, I can pick my answer choice. So first is Jamal, which is 3,279. So I can cross out letter F and I can cross out letter J. Then is 3,261. So the correct answer is G. Number 3. Weekly attendance at Splashdown for 4 weeks in August was published in the paper. In the first week, 33,650 people came. Week 2 showed an attendance of 33,615. Week 3 had a total attendance of 33,561. Attendance in week 4 was a number that was greater than week 3, but less than week 1. Okay? So if you notice, they said nothing about week 2, which means we do not need this information. So I'm going to cross that out. Week 2 is not needed. We only need week 1 and week 3. All right, so I'm going to write them over here. Okay, so this is week 1. This is week 3. Okay, so it has to be greater than week 3. So let's look at all the ones that are greater than this number, okay? So, is 33,670 greater than 33,500? Yes, okay, so I can't cross that out. Is 33,559 greater than 33,561? No, so I can cross that one out. Is 33,616 greater than 33,561? Yes. And this is 32,000. Is that greater than 33,000? No. So I can cross that one. Now it has to be less than week number 1. So is 33,670 less than 33,650? No, it's not. So I'm going to cross that out, and the correct answer should be C. Number 4. Demi's family wants to buy a new car. The prices for their 3 favorite cars are listed below. Chevy is $39,000 and $680. Ford, $38,375. Dodge, $39,099. Which list shows the cars in order from least to greatest? So least small to big. Okay. All right, so let's, again, this time we're going to start with our 10,000 place. This is our 10,000. We have 30, 30, 30. That's not going to help us. Then we have our thousands place. So we have 9,000, 8,000, and 9,000. Well, 8,000 is the smallest, so that has to go first. Okay, so we know Ford has to go first, so I can go ahead and cross out Dodge and Chevy. Now we're going to look at our hundreds place. I have 600 here, and I have 0 hundreds here. Okay, which means this is going to be second, and this is going to be third. So the correct answer is H. And our last problem. In 2012, the number of students attending the University of North Texas was 35,836. The same year, Texas State University had an enrollment less than this. Which of them could not? Okay, so we have 35,836, and we're looking for the one that is not less. Okay, so if I look here, 35,900 is actually going to be greater. This is 35,683, this is less. 35,808, this is less. 34,995, this is less. So the only one that is greater is letter A. And we're done.